friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today we're gonna unbag and play with the products in this month's Apocalyptic Beauty bag. This is what the bag itself looks like this month. It's so cute and wintry. The theme this month is Ice Queen. You get a little card that talks about all of the products that you got in the bag. If you haven't seen one of these videos from me before, Apocalyptic Beauty is a brand. They are a small indie brand and they have a monthly subscription service where they send you, I think it's 4 to 6 products that they create. It's all themed around a specific theme. It's all kind of like Halloween-y, fairy tale, whimsical, dark, creature. Like, it's always something really cool and I'm always really excited to get it. It's like a little Halloween surprise every month. It's almost always eyeshadows, a lip product, and then sometimes a glitter. And I haven't really been disappointed with pretty much anything. I think there was one purple eyeshadow here that I didn't really like, but for the most part I love everything that I get. This is not sent to me. I don't think they really know my existence, and I pay for this with my own money every month, and you guys seem to really enjoy this video, so that's why I continue to do it. I get really excited about this bag. If I didn't mention it already, this service is $12.50 a month, and that's all I have to say about that. Let's just get into it. So one of the products we got is this Snow Glare Multi-Chromatic Lip Topper. I'm intrigued by this. Oh, that's pretty. It doesn't really look like much on camera, but it's mostly clear with just like this shift of bluey iridescence. It's really cute actually, and I really like their glosses. They're really nourishing, so as long as this is the same, I'll probably really enjoy that. We got a glitter. This is in the shade, glitter's not really a shade, but it's called Cryomancer. Am I saying that right? I feel like I always say something wrong in these videos. But they're little snowflakes. I'm gonna cry. They're so cute. You guys already know how I'm gonna wear them too. And we got 3 eyeshadows. The first one is Jadis. I don't know what that word means. Sometimes these little cards have descriptions on why they name them certain things. This one does not, so I can't even tell you what that means. But it's this really pretty silvery, icy white shimmer. It's so cute. That's so pretty. That might be pretty as a face highlight. I'm gonna try it. Ooh, that's so pretty actually. Wow. I'm an ice queen. I love that. Next we have Beira, B-E-I-R-A. I butcher these names. This one is like a shimmery blue. Ooh, that's so cute. Oh, I love that. My icy dreams are coming true. And this last one that I actually can pronounce is called Ice Maiden. It's like a silver, ooh, silvery blue icy shimmer. It's so cute. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm excited to play with these. They're all shimmers, so I'm going to be dipping into another palette just for some help making a cohesive look, because I don't just want shimmers all over my lid. Alright, my eyes are already primed with my Smashbox lid primer, and I did not set it with a shadow. I like it a little tacky. And for the palette that I'm going to use to help assist me with some mattes is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette. I know this is controversial, but I happen to like this palette, so I'm basically just going to dip into Busted and smoke that through my crease and then blend it out with probably this shade. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush, picking up some of that blue, and I'm just going to start working that in my crease. Heavier focus on this outer corner, and just carrying it through the crease as I have slightly less product on the brush and just buffing it out. Nothing too revolutionary. This is pretty much the only shade I'm going to have in the crease, except maybe a shade to blend it out further, and everything else will be these pretty shimmers. This is actually blending out really well, so I don't think I'll even need to dip into another shade. I am going to smudge this on my lower lash line as well, focusing it mostly in this outer corner. I do want to do a little bit of a half cut crease just because I feel like it. You totally don't have to. Just putting some concealer down and looking up so I can see exactly where I need to cut my crease. I'm just stopping that right about where the outer area is. And that's about that. First I'm taking the Beira shade, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's the blue one that looks like this. And I'm just going to pack that kind of out here in this outer area. I don't have any glitter glue or setting spray on this brush. That's really pretty. I do want to try this with a glitter glue though, just because in the past these shadows work extra beautiful with a glitter glue. So I'm just taking some of my NYX glitter primer and popping that down on the area that I want to lay the shadow, dipping right into the shadow. Yes. Glitter glue makes all the difference with these shadows. Like, they're pretty on their own, but then they're unstoppable with the glitter glue. I love. Now I'm just gonna be lazy and flip that same brush over, and I'm going to lay down some more glitter glue pretty much on the remaining portion of the lid. And then I'm gonna pick up that Ice Maiden shade, that silvery one. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm just laying this everywhere else that we didn't put shadows. And then I'm just gonna go back into a little bit more of that blue one, just so they can merge. I love everything about that. Last, just taking a little bit more of that glitter primer, I'm going to pop this in my inner corner area, and then pick up that first shade, Jadis, I don't know. And that's going all in this inner corner. Wow, that's so pretty. This is not the ideal brush for this, but all my brushes are dirty, so this one's just very dense and very pointed, so it's hard to fluff out. Just grabbing any random brush just to help blend that out a little bit more. I love this. However, I do want to smoke a little bit more blue under this lower lash line. I thought I was only gonna do it in the outer corner, but now I want it cohesively all the way around. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm always so happy with the looks I create with the shadows in these boxes. Now let's play with the glitter. Just taking any brush that you are fine with using glitter with. I'm taking some glitter glue and popping this in the outer corner of my eye. I'm taking it pretty far out actually. I don't mind being a little extra with this. I'm actually wearing glasses today, so it's gonna get covered up unfortunately, but it's fun for now. Oh, my heart. They make some of the best glitter ever. There's a snowflake, there's a snowflake. Oh, cute, 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 cute. I'm actually obsessed. I might have to wear contacts today, even though my eyes are not feeling it. This is so pretty, oh my gosh. I feel like a winter work of art. I'm gonna do the other eye and then I will come back to finish this up. I'll probably just put the gloss on off camera because you really don't need to watch me apply a practically clear gloss. So when you see me, we'll be done and we'll just talk about it. So this is the full look. I hope you like it. I decided not to do lashes just because frankly, I have to leave for work in a very short period of time. So I didn't feel like messing with that, and that's about that. I only put the glitter on one side because I thought it looked cool only having it on one side, because I didn't want to put it on the other eye and then it looked not identical but weirdly asymmetrical. I figured if we're gonna have asymmetry, this is the way I want to do it. The gloss feels really good. I think it looks really pretty on the lips. It's obviously not like a crazy color. It's mostly sheer with this glow to it, but I think it's really pretty and it feels so conditioning. These are the least sticky glosses I've tried in my lifetime. They just feel like I have like a lip mask on. It's so good feeling. I love it. They smell good. I love this look. I feel so cute. I can't wait to wear it all day long. This is probably one of my favorite things about always filming in the mornings because I get so excited to wear it for the rest of the day. I get bummed when I film at night and I can't do anything with it. I forgot to mention, but Apocalyptic Beauty also always sends candy and I always show you what candy I get, and I totally didn't do it. But they sent me an ice blow pop and this blue candy. Very fitting with the theme. Next month theme is Queen of Hearts. That is going to be so cute for Valentine's Day. I hope so bad. So bad. Apocalyptic Beauty, you're not watching this, but if you are, please send a really cool heart-themed glitter. I would be so happy. Anyways, what do you think of this look? Let me know. Do you subscribe to the subscription? What did you think of the box this month? Are you excited for next month? Is this something you want to try if you're not already signed up? let's chat about it. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.